Damian from the Monkeys, and today we are in Ubud. It's a beautiful day. It's cloudy, but it's beautiful. We decided to come to one of the galleries in Ubud because obviously Balinese people are very artistic people. They are born to create, as you see over there. And Sayang is with me today.
Hi!
So we're gonna show you a little bit of the arts here around. Many artistic, many abstract arts, like this lovely cow around. But first of all, we're gonna have a coffee, if you don't mind.
It's afternoon tea time. We decided to go to Mas Ubud, Desa Mas Ubud. So Desa Mas Ubud is famous for the art galleries and just like the, furnitures, paintings, and so many arts things. So we will have a coffee first, and then later on we will show you around Desa Mas in Ubud. About today's special is about arts. So this is the place where we have a coffee. Well, actually that is the coffee shop and gallery. It's the same place. This is how it is. Desa Mas Ubud is famous for the arts. Hi, honey. So Damian is enjoying his coffee and cake.
So we are in the gallery and we met our fans.
So lovely that we met our from
South Africa.
South Africa. Wow! So when you came to Bali?
I arrived on the 18th of October.
18th of October.
Yes,
So you just
yes.
arrived
And
last
my
month.
husband will be here at the end of November.
And this lady, if you watch our video, what we asked few months ago, to send a video from all around the world, this lady sent us the video from South Africa. So you can
Finally,
recognize.
she's here. So happy to meet her.
Thank you. I'm so happy to meet you too.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Would you like to say something to our viewers who's not coming to Bali yet? Or maybe share your experience when you come to Bali during this time, because you said that in October, right? Last month.
Yes.
So how was it?
It's picking up a bit, I must admit. But I am really not sorry that I came, even though I had to come on the business visa and with all the arrangements.
Yes.
But I am happy that I'm here, and I can't wait for my family and friends from South Africa to come and join us as well.
Oh, wow.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you all to love Bali so much, and thank you to you too also for showing us all the places on all the
Sure,
vlogs.
that's what we do.
That's what I love. Love watching you every single day.
Thank you. This is the little shot from the gallery. There are many paintings, little bit abstract paintings here, also the abstract statues, but beautiful. In Ubud, in Bali especially, you can find so many interesting things around. This is really one of the few places around the world like this, with this kind of art, with this kind of paintings, and also with this kind of galleries. Look at this painting, actually it's really nice. It's abstract, but it's really nice. I really like it. And okay, honey, I think we're gonna move to a different location now, yes?
Yes, so let's go to the different location because we are in Mas, Desa Mas Ubud, and obviously this is the village of arts in Ubud. So let's go.
Let's go.
We are now on the street, and in front of me this is one of the art galleries and statues, something like that. Let's go inside and see how it is.
So many abstract statues here, and the big bus driving so fast. Whoa! But back to today's topic. You can find in Ubud, in Bali, many things like this one. This is really something unique. That's a good
She
one.
looks so pretty.
She's so pretty, yeah. On the Vespa. And this guy, this is actually looks a little bit like some president maybe, or somebody. Look at this dragon. Level of details of this dragon is spectacular. If you're looking to decorate your garden or your house with the statues, what are really abstract, I think this may be place for you. We get inside a little bit, show you a few shots of the places. It's really hard to moving the camera because I don't know what should I show you, like this Medusa made from I don't know, even it's metal or maybe silver. Afraid to touch it. It's made even from silver actually. And this wooden things, it's really spectacular, isn't it? It's a little bit dark. There's so many wooden things here, and it's so many, like one by one. It's really hard to record, but
Look at this one.
so many. Really a lot of things here. Look at this. Look at this one, for example. It's really impressive. I could say I don't want to break anything here.
Look at this one.
Yeah, this is the Abstract Lever Pro, definitely. Oh, look at this one. A lot of things. Definitely. Wooden things, a lot. All right, so we moved to different location. Actually, on this street and this area, everywhere there are shops like this. So many beautiful things, and we're gonna show you a little bit more around. So many abstract things and beautiful things around. You have to agree with me. So many beautiful things here. Beautiful, very unique. So many around. Some of these places are open, some of them they are closed. Didn't see much of these statues in Balinese buildings or hotels. I'm pretty sure stuff like this is more likely imported to different countries. But so many beautiful stuff here. Unfortunately, there is also no prices on the items. Usually they're giving you business card, and then you have to call the owner, and then they're gonna deal you privately about the prices. But, well, I believe that's not that cheap. How does it look like? Well, this one definitely doesn't look cheap anyway. This is like, wow. It's few $1,000s per piece. That's definitely beautiful. Look at this table, actually. Pretty nice. Little abstract. Looks pretty cool. I have to be very careful how I walk. Don't wanna, because I need to walk on the street a little bit to show you from the distance. But it's really pretty cool, pretty impressive. And this is like a one shop only over here, including the wooden things. And everywhere over there they are like a furniture. Here are some simple beds. Well, that actually doesn't look that simple either. Yeah, beds, furniture. On the left, on the right, literally everywhere.
Right behind me is another furniture shops, and yeah, like selling wardrobes, tables and everything. So I think that's all our video today, guys, from Desa Mas Ubud. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.